Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, and base enclosure. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the primary storage drive ZIF connector and disconnect the primary storage drive ribbon cable from the primary storage drive. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the 4 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the primary storage drive assembly to the top cover. Lift the primary storage drive assembly off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Place the primary storage drive assembly in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the primary storage drive assembly from the static-dissipative bag. Insert the primary storage drive ribbon cable into the primary storage drive ZIF connector on the primary storage drive and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Place the primary storage drive assembly onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 4 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the primary storage drive assembly to the top cover.